Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to start with Python. If you want to run a code, first thing to do is to give your file a name. This file doesn't have a name. Let's name it starting Python. If you want to change the color of your screen, go to the preferences and open the color scheme. You can change the color whenever you want to. There are many colors here. Now let's print a word or a sentence. Write here print, then make two parentheses, and between the parentheses make two double quotes. Between the double quotes write a word. For example, write here hello. If you want to print your command, press Ctrl B. Your command has been printed. You can print your command with two single quotes too. And then press Ctrl B. Your command has been printed again. But never try to start with a single quote and end with a double quote. Then you will get an error. This is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and bye bye.